Hello guys, today I am going to show you in how to get the direct reply option in Instagram. Normally, in Instagram DMs or messages, it is very much easy to reply to a specific message in a chat. You just have to tap and hold the message and something will pop up. You can just directly tap the reply option and then you can write your response to that specific message. But if your Instagram does not work like that, you need to do these steps. First is to update your Instagram. Now, go to your Play Store and search Instagram. Here, if your Instagram is an older version, you can see an update option. But as for me, my Instagram is the newest version. But if you can see an update on your side, kindly tap and wait for the application to be updated. After that, just go back to your Instagram again and tap the profile icon. And tap the three lines. Here, you can see the various options. If there is such thing as update messaging at the bottom of these options, then tap it. That will give you the latest functionality of the messaging. Because it may not doesn't work directly by just updating the application. After doing so, you will be good now. But then, if you still have the same problem, you have to report that problem. To do that, go to your settings and then find and tap help and tap report a problem. Here, you can follow any of these steps in reporting a problem. Then, you can just say that you have tried updating everything, yet you can't still have the feature. And hopefully someone from the support would attend to you as soon as possible to fix the problem. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.